Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one is a place where you can eat. Correct. Number two, that's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. This restaurant is fancy. This restaurant is fancy. Restaurant. A place with cooks and waiters. People eat food and then pay money for it. Now we can make a flashcard for restaurant. We use restaurant with in and at. Both are correct. Please make a card like this. Write restaurant up here in the top left corner. R-E-S-T-A-U. R-A-N-T. Down here, C-T-Y, 1. This means city, level 1. And over here, the number 34 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Restaurant. Restaurant. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. She is Jennifer. She is my friend. She is Jennifer. She is my friend. She. A pronoun for a girl or a woman. She is Jennifer. Now we can make a flashcard for she. Please repeat and write this in your notebook. I, me, my. You, your. She, her. He, him, his. Please repeat. She is Jennifer. We like her. Her hair is long. Please make a card like this. Write she up here in the top left corner, S-H-E. And remember all three, she, her. The category, I, me, my, 21, and the number 13 out of 21. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. She. Game over. You did very well today. Where will you eat? In a restaurant. Very good. And she is a student. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Can you say number 1? Very good. Surface, similar to top. Number 2, to be confused with an S, when you don't know which way to go. Number 3, irregular. Hang, hung. Today is Saturday, July 12th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.